Squirrels are herbivores. It can climb trees super fast, even upside down. A squirrel's bushy tail helps them balance when they jump. Squirrels make funny sounds like chirps and chattering.
Rabbits don't walk, they hop. They are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants like grass and leaves. Their noses wiggle for better smell, and long ears to hear tiny sounds. Rabbits have short, fluffy tails that look like cotton balls. Deer can run super fast and leap high with their strong legs. They are herbivores, meaning they love to munch only on plants like yummy leaves, twigs, and grass. Many male deer, called bucks, grow incredible, branching antlers on their heads, which they magically shed and regrow every year. Deer have a secret way of talking with their tails. If a deer sees something scary, it might stick its tail straight up, showing the white fluffy part like a flag. Horses are incredibly athletic, known for their amazing speed and powerful legs, allowing them to run incredibly fast across open fields. They are also very social animals and love to live in groups called herds. They are herbivores, which means they only eat plants, like yummy green grass and hay. Horses can actually sleep standing up. They're pretty adaptable creatures. Donkeys are fascinating animals, often thought of as cousins to horses, but with their own special qualities. Donkeys are herbivores, they love to munch on plants, especially tougher grasses. They're super good at finding food in dry places. Donkeys have been amazing helpers for people, often seen carrying heavy loads or pulling carts with their incredible strength and endurance. Zebras are famous for their awesome black and white stripes that make them look like they're wearing fancy pajamas. While each zebra has its own unique stripe pattern, these stripes actually help them stay safe in the wild by confusing predators when they run in a big group. Just like horses and donkeys, zebras are herbivores, meaning they love to munch on grasses, leaves, and even bark found in their hot homes on the grassy plains of Africa. They live in big, protective herds, sometimes even mixing with wildebeest, which helps them stay safer from lions and other hunters. Like many other farm animals, goats are herbivores. Goats are incredibly adaptable and a bit adventurous. They love to eat plants, but they're famous for eating almost anything from grass and leaves to weeds and even thorny bushes, making them excellent at clearing land. You can find goats living all over the world, from cozy farms right up to incredibly steep mountainsides, because they are amazing climbers with special hooves that help them grip rocky surfaces like superheroes. Lots of goats have cool horns on their heads and some even grow neat beards. People also keep goats for their delicious milk, soft wool, and even just as friendly companions. Goats have really unique rectangular pupils in their eyes. Goats are very curious and intelligent animals. Camels are true desert superheroes, famous for drinking huge amounts of water at once, and their wide, padded feet are perfect for walking across soft sand without sinking. To protect themselves from sandstorms, camels have amazing long eyelashes and can even close their nostrils tight. These herbivores munch on tough desert plants, and for thousands of years, people have relied on these strong animals to carry heavy loads and travel long distances. Kangaroos are incredible animals known for their super powerful legs that let them hop and jump at amazing speeds across the open grasslands of Australia. They don't walk like other animals. Their thick, strong tail isn't just for balance when they're hopping, it's also like a fifth leg they can lean on. But the coolest thing might be the pouch on a female kangaroo's belly, where she carries her tiny baby, called a joey, keeping it safe and warm until it's big enough to explore on its own. Kangaroos are herbivores, meaning they love to munch on plants like grass, leaves, and flowers found in their homeland. They're truly unique and fantastic creatures. Cows are big, gentle animals you'll often see munching happily in green fields and on farms all over the world. They are herbivores, which means they only eat plants like grass and hay, and they have a special superpower: they chew their cud. This means they swallow their food, then bring it back up later to chew it again, kind of like re-chewing their lunch for extra goodness. Cows are super important because they give us delicious milk for drinking, cheese, and ice cream. They often live in groups and communicate with a friendly moo.